Hey guys, it's March, which means we've moved on to the next sleeve of the month, which is Black Poly. Mike, would you mind telling me a little bit more about this sleeve and why we brought it to the market?
Yes, I can, Tara. So back about 15 years ago, we had a large agriculture company that came to us that wasn't willing to pay the cost of the 1050 and 5601. They also didn't need the high abrasion characteristics that our other sleeve provides. So we went back to the drawing board and we found this 600 Black Poly. And when I say 600, that's the substrate of the material.
Right, and speaking of the abrasion, as I feel it, there's really not much to it. It feels cheap,
That is correct. Yep.
That is by design. For bundling only, I assume static applications?
Yep. So it would be a bundling of hoses or wires that would just either drape or hang without actually interfering or coming across the framing or any type of abrasion. Again, we developed this sleeve for cost only because the agriculture company wanted that particular material.
And it might be cheap, it might be bundling only, but there is still some custom capabilities with this sleeve. Is that true?
That is true. We can do everything to this particular sleeve that we can do to every other sleeve that we offer. This particular one has 2 rows of hook, which will give the operator or install person the ability to adjust the sleeve tighter or looser depending on how many hoses that they're running in this particular sleeve.
And what about over here? I see there's some printing capabilities.
That is correct. We can also print on all of our sleeves as well. This particular sleeve has a different type of print on it. We do need to print on the coated side with this sleeve.
Now Mike, where can someone who's looking for more information on Black Poly visit?
You can reach us at pythoncovers.com.
That's right, and on our website you can also request a free sample sleeve. We'll send it to you in the mail, and you can get in touch with one of our textile experts who can help you design your custom product today.